If you're trying to stay relevant as a content creator in 2026, you already know the game has changed. It's no longer just about being creative, it's about how fast you can turn ideas into polished, high performing content. The creators winning right now are not necessarily the most talented, they're the ones using the smartest tools. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 of the best AI tools that are completely changing how content is created, edited, and distributed in 2026. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools out there right now, ChatGPT. This is basically your all-in-one creative assistant. You can use it to generate video scripts, YouTube titles, descriptions, hooks, storytelling ideas, and even full content strategies. What makes it stand out in 2026 is how natural and human its writing feels. You can literally describe your idea in one sentence and turn it into a full, viral-ready script within seconds. For creators like you, making YouTube videos, TikToks, or even faceless channels, this tool alone can cut your workload in half. It's like having a full-time writer, strategist, and idea generator working for you 24/7. Now imagine pairing that with visuals generated instantly using Midjourney. This tool creates insanely high-quality images from simple text prompts. Whether you're making thumbnails, storytelling visuals, or background images for videos, Midjourney gives you cinematic-level results. In 2026, creators are using this to build entire faceless channels without ever picking up a camera. You can literally create scenes that don't exist in real life, which is perfect for storytelling, documentaries, and viral content. Next up is Runway, and this one is a game changer for video editing. Runway allows you to remove backgrounds, generate video clips from text, and even edit entire scenes using AI. What used to take hours in traditional editing software can now be done in minutes. If you're someone who struggles with editing or just wants to speed up your workflow, this tool will completely change how you create videos. It's especially useful for short-form content where speed matters more than perfection. Another powerful tool you need to know is Descript. This tool lets you edit your videos just by editing text. You can remove filler words, cut clips, and even clone your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. In 2026, Descript is widely used by podcasters, YouTubers, and educators because it simplifies editing to a level that beginners can easily understand. It turns a complicated process into something that feels as simple as editing a Word document. For those of you focused on voiceovers or faceless content, ElevenLabs is on another level. This tool creates ultra-realistic voiceovers that sound almost identical to human speech. You can choose different tones, emotions, and styles, making it perfect for storytelling channels, explainer videos, and ads. A lot of creators in 2026 are building entire channels using AI voices, and most viewers can't even tell the difference anymore. Now let's talk about design, because visuals matter more than ever. Canva has evolved into a full AI-powered design machine. It's no longer just for beginners. You can now generate thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and even short videos using AI inside Canva. For YouTubers, this is huge, because thumbnails are one of the biggest factors in getting clicks. Canva makes it easy to create high-converting thumbnails without needing advanced design skills. If you're into writing blogs, scripts, or long-form content, Jasper AI is another tool worth checking out. It's built specifically for marketers and content creators who want structured, high-converting content. While tools like ChatGPT are more flexible, Jasper focuses more on conversion and marketing-driven writing. So if your goal is to make money from your content, this tool can help you craft messages that actually sell. Now here's a tool that many creators are sleeping on, but it's incredibly powerful: Pictory. Pictory turns text into full videos automatically. You paste a script and it creates a video with stock footage, captions, and transitions. For faceless YouTube channels, this is a goldmine. You can literally scale content production without spending hours editing. This is how many creators are uploading consistently without burning out. Another must-have tool in 2026 is CapCut. While it started as a simple editing app, it's now packed with AI features like auto captions, background removal, and smart cuts. It's especially popular for TikTok and YouTube Shorts creators because it's fast, easy, and optimized for viral content. If you're creating short-form videos, this tool is almost essential at this point. Finally, let's talk about one of the most underrated tools for creators, Notion AI. This isn't just for writing, it's for organizing your entire content workflow. You can plan video ideas, write scripts, track performance, and manage your content calendar all in one place. In 2026, successful creators are not just creative, they're organized. And Notion AI helps you stay consistent, which is the real key to growth. When you step back and look at all these tools together, you start to see a pattern. The creators who are growing the fastest are not doing everything manually anymore. They're using AI to speed up the boring parts so they can focus on creativity and strategy. That's the real advantage. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it. If you're serious about growing your channel, especially in a competitive space like YouTube, you need to start thinking like a modern creator. That means building a system. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas and scripts, Midjourney for visuals, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Runway or CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. Once you combine these tools, you'll realize you can produce content at a level and speed that wasn't possible just a few years ago. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. In 2026, consistency beats talent. The algorithm rewards creators who show up again and again with quality content. These AI tools make that possible. They remove excuses, they remove delays, they remove the biggest barrier most creators face, which is time. So if you've been struggling to stay consistent, or you feel like content creation is too overwhelming, this is your sign to upgrade your workflow. Start small, pick 2 or 3 tools from this list, master them, and then expand. Because the sooner you adapt, the faster you grow. And if you use these tools the right way, you won't just keep up with the competition, you'll start leaving them behind. But there's something important you need to understand before you go all in on these tools. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. The creators who actually win with AI are the ones who add their own voice, personality, and perspective on top of it. If you just copy and paste what AI gives you, your content will feel generic, and audiences can sense that instantly. The real advantage comes when you use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI as a starting point, then refine the output with your own style, your own storytelling, and your own creativity. That's how you stand out in a world where everyone has access to the same technology. Another thing that separates top creators in 2026 is how they combine multiple tools into one smooth workflow. Instead of relying on just one platform, they build a system where each tool handles a specific part of the process. For example, you might generate your script with ChatGPT, create visuals with Midjourney, produce voiceovers using 11 Labs, and then bring everything together inside CapCut or Runway. Once you have this pipeline set up, content creation becomes faster, smoother, and way more scalable. You're no longer guessing what to do next, you're just executing a system that works. At the end of the day, AI tools are not replacing creators, they're upgrading them. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, but the standard is also higher than ever. That means if you take advantage of these tools now, you can grow faster than people who are still stuck doing everything the old way. The opportunity right now is massive, especially for creators willing to experiment, learn, and adapt quickly. So don't just watch this video and move on, actually start using these tools today, because the gap between creators who use AI and those who don't is only going to get bigger from here.